Hi everyone! Look what I found in a thrift store. Isn't it lovely? In this video, you will see a few ways how to wear a plisse scarf like this. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie it. The best thing you can do tying this kind of scarves is just follow the movement of fabric. You can see it in the first style. Just tie a single knot on one side. You have these pretty ends. Who needs to do more? By the way, if you like scarves, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to get notifications about new videos. For the second style, tie a double knot with one end much longer than the other. Pass the long end through the knot. Form a shell from plisse. And again, just follow the fabric. See how the plisse wants to fall. If you like plisse scarves, I will include a few links in the description for some charming plisse scarves from Etsy. For the third style, tie a single knot and a half bow. Pull the half bow open, making a flower. You can leave the ends as is. Or tuck them in the middle of the flower. As you can see, the plisse is very easy to tie and everything looks spectacular. By the way, I have another video on a lovely flower from scarf and I will link it at the end. If you want to know more on neck scarves, you can watch these videos too, for some fresh scarf ideas. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you next time. Bye!